Our exclusive luxury bathroom collection Leicester has been carefully chosen, bringing fine materials and design innovation to life. Including bespoke bathroom furniture, painted bathroom furniture, walnut vanities, vanity sink units, double bathroom sinks, contemporary bathroom vanity, custom-built bathroom furniture, freestanding bathroom cabinets, oak bathroom cabinets, vanity unit sinks, marble top vanity units, handcrafted bathroom furniture. Classic bathroom furniture UK. We feel passionate about what we do and believe design within the home should be unique. Our sales team and bathroom designers will give you expert advice, with a combined 50 years experience in the bathroom and tile industry. Our luxury bathroom showroom located in Manchester has individual room settings showing off the latest designer bathrooms and tiles, giving you the opportunity to imagine how your room could look. We offer a free design service using the latest design software. This allows us to create you a virtual image of the finished room. Call Luxury Bathrooms Leicester today on 0116 222 444.